Hello, crafty peeps. I just wanted to share that I got some crafty happy mail and I'm so excited. This is from Christine Johnson. She is Shabby Pink House on YouTube and she actually won one of the Amazon gift cards that I was giving away on one of my YouTube hops. And so thank you so much for sending me something. I really wasn't expecting anything, but thank you, thank you. So, sorry, I don't think I opened this all the way here. I will put the link for her channel down below. She is an amazing crafter. Oh, I can already see it's a shabby goodness. Ooh, I love pink. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. This is actually a little lace bag that she made that has some beautiful little goodies in it. Wow, this is so cool. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. Did you sew this? Because if you did, that is amazing. I'm totally not capable of sewing at all. Guys, is that not gorgeous? Look at all that beautiful lace. Look at these. I love the dangly laces. And then we'll go inside here, and she sent me these beautiful charms. Wow. Thank you so much, Christine. This is just gorgeous. There's some little diamond hearts, a little diamond heart buckle. These are little danglies. She sent me some bling buttons, some flat back pearls in different sizes. Oh my gosh. These are just gorgeous. These almost look like they're vintage, but I don't know because I don't really buy that many vintage things, but those are so gorgeous. Thank you so much. I'm going to hoard these. But here's another one. Here's a circular little buckle. That is beautiful. I don't know if you made those, but if you did an amazing job. Let's put this in here. And then she sent me this absolutely stunning card. Wow. Oh, and I love how she has a little made with love charm. That is gorge. That is beautiful. Where did it go? See? Right here. Created for you by Christine, made with love. Is that not cute? And then she has a beautiful shabby chic paper. I am not even sure which paper collection that is, but it's beautiful. I love how she did a little bow on the side. I love the butterfly, and it says hello. And I'm not going to read the inside for you, but anyway, thank you so much, Christine. Again, I'm going to leave her channel down below. I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. And thank you, Christine. Bye-bye.